Train's been stolen.
What?
The money train's been stolen.
I gotta call Patterson.
Everyone! We have a situation here which will be resolved immediately. These perpetrators are obviously fools who've survived thus far on sheer luck. Well, their luck just ran out. Let's get them. And remember, the money train has not been stolen. It is still in our tunnel, still in our control, and soon will be in our hands.
Scared the shit out of me, man. How'd you find me?
Fuck that. You told me the plan, remember?
Yeah, well, that was plan A. We're gonna move on to plan B right now.
Which is what?
Well, now that you're here, we're gonna figure it out.
No. Okay, this is plan B. Look, we get the hell off this train safe and undetected and without the money. Let's go.
No, I ain't down with that.
Well, then we got a serious problem.
Yeah, I guess we do.
Come on, let's go. Up there, on the hand. Oh, shit.
Okay, now's your chance to turn me in and get a medal.
Or you can get this damn train moving and get us the hell out of here.
Thought you'd never ask.
Charlie, when this is over with, remind me to knock you out.
Money train reported going south on the A line. Has just crossed 59th Street.
To the person or persons on board the money train, this is Donald Patterson. Shut it down. And surrender.
Don't do that.
Before you wind up...
Donald, don't worry, the robbery's going great, and I'll still give you your cut, partner. Toodles.
Listen to me, you sons of bitches. I don't know who you are, I will get my hands on you, and I will rip a hole in your throat, suck your heart out, then eat it.
Now, I don't appreciate that tone of voice.
Don't even look at me. I mean, Patterson may be an asshole, but he's not stupid. Sooner or later, he's gonna figure to trip the brakes. And this little joyride of ours is gonna be over. Unless...
What?
we bleed the brakes.
Man, I knew you'd be good at this. We bleed the brakes, they can't stop us.
If we bleed the brakes, then we can't stop beating.
Shit. And what? It's bleed the brakes or we end up the Butt Brothers in D-Block.
Bleed the brakes.
Give me 42nd Street.
Tower, stand by for Chief Patterson.
You got the money train coming your way. I want you to shut her down. Trip her brakes. Reach in and tear her guts out.
Come on, baby, come on. Gotta work, gotta work, gotta work. You got it, come on.
Didn't stop, sir.
What do you mean it didn't stop?
From the way it was going, I don't think it has any brakes.
I want the shooters. I want them on the Grand Street platform. Concentrate all your firepower on the motorman's cabin.
Sir, there's a construction barricade near Grand Street. It could stop a train.
Good point. I want that barricade. I want it in place and now.
Sir, that thing's reinforced with steel. They'll be killed.
Yeah. Money Train, this is Donald Patterson. I have an information update for you. At the Grand Street station, we have in place a reinforced steel barricade. I implore you, shut it down and turn yourself in. Or die.
He's bluffing, right? Stop this thing even if we wanted to.
Go faster. Go faster.
Come on, move, check your ears.
Charlie? He wasn't bluffing.
Oh, shit!